Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Uday Pandit and you're watching MEP Technical World. In this video, we'll learn about basically how to do master switch wiring with the help of one-way switch. So before we start the session, I would like to request you, if you are not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So here in previous video we have used two-way switch. So we are controlling all lights from two different position with the help of two-way switch. But here we'll have a one-way master switch and individual circuit, individual light control have an individual two-way switch. So here we can switch on off the light individually as well. So for that, let's take a first, this is the master switch. Okay, so this is the master switch which is one-way switch and these are two-way switch. So here we have a three two-way switch. So with the help of this two-way switch we will control the all the lights. So suppose this switch is for this load, this light, and this switch is for this light, and this switch is for this light. Now let's move to the wiring. So here we have a 220 volt single phase supply source and this is the phase point and this is the neutral point. So first let's come to the phase wiring. So from here let's take a phase wire and connect it to this terminal. So this is the phase terminal. Okay, now from here let's take a wire and it will connect to the this terminal. So here we have 1 2 and middle of it is common terminal. So let's connect it to 2. Now parallelly we can wire the all switches like this. Okay, so from here we have what we have done, we have joined it. Similarly from this point of 1A switch, here we have a 2 terminals. So from other terminal wire will be taken and it will be connected to this 2A switch first point or upper point. Now from here we can look to all these 2A switch parallelly from upper side. So up to here we have given phase wire to upper terminal and lower terminal of the individual 2A switch. Now let's first give the neutral to the loads. So here we have provided neutral to all bulbs. Now this bulbs needs what? Phase supply. So from individual switch, so this switch is for this light and this switch is for this light and this switch is for this light. So from here this is the common point. So from here let's take the wire and it will connect it to this bulb. Similarly for this, similarly for this. So in this way we can do the wiring for master switch. So this is the master switch. Here we have a one master switch and this is one-way switch. So in this condition what happened? Individually we can switch on and off the bulbs, or we can say loads, individually switch. Even and with the help of this master switch we can switch off the entire light and we can switch on the entire light with the help of this master switch, and even we can control individually through this two-way switch. Okay, so in this way we can do the wiring for master switch wiring with the help of this one-way switch. So this is the one-way switch is the master switch and remaining are the individual switch which is two-way. Okay, so hope you guys understand about how to do wiring of master switch with the help of one-way switch. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comments and subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So thank you very much. See you again in next video.